Good morning. Okay, YouTube. I'm out here on this snow day here in Washington, D.C. Today, first of all, I want to thank you all and welcome you to Lessons Learned by Unica. And today, I'm going to be talking with you all about how to properly clean the snow off your car and the lessons learned that I learned from it. Okay? So, watch. My son is in action. All right, as you can see here, that we got some good snow here in Washington, D.C. Looks wonderful, looks amazing. So one of the first things you want to do, even before you turn your car on, you have a tailpipe or an exhaust pipe back here. Now, notice, you see here that tailpipe? See that tailpipe? You see, before you cut your car on, make sure you clean. As you can see, first thing I told my son was to make sure we clean the tailpipe off. You see that tailpipe is clean from snow? Okay, so that's the first thing that you have to do. Now, after you clean the tailpipe, then you cut your car on, okay? The heat from your car is going to help you. Now, what we did was we also slightly cracked the window. But what you're going to see that the heat from the car is going to help you to be able to clear the snow. And you see you got to have a proper tool. You see the tool that my son is carrying. It has a brush on it. It has an area that takes the snow off. And what you want to do, see how you properly lift up your windshield wipers? All right, so that way you can properly clear off all of your snow from your front of your car. You're going to also want to make sure that you clean the side window. So he's cleaned the front window. He's also going to get the back window. He's also going to get the side windows, and he's going to get the back windows. The reason why that's important too is because you want to make sure that you can see when you're driving, okay? And you want to get it on both sides of the car. So he's going to do both the back and side. Now he's already done his car. He's in the process of doing my car. So let me show you how he has cleared his car. Again, as you can see, the tailpipe back here is clear. You see that? There's no snow on the tailpipe. The back window has been cleared off, but because it's still snowing, there's snow dropping back on his car. The side windows have been cleared. Now, I'm gonna have him make sure he gets his this rearview mirror too. He's gonna need to be able to see. And front window has been cleared, and as well as the side passenger window have to be cleared. And then make sure you wind your windows back up once you cut your car off. One of the reasons, or one of the lessons that I have learned, is that if you do not clear off that rear tailpipe and you happen to cut your car on, it can back up fumes in the car that can be dangerous for your life and the life of your loved ones. So as you are enjoying this wonderful snow day, we got some real snow out here, guys. As you are enjoying this wonderful snow day, may you take safety precautions and make sure you clear your car off safely. Now, as you're clearing your car off, you also want to make sure that you also clear a pathway. So when my son finishes, we have a shovel. We have a shovel, which he's going to get in the back, but there's a shovel that we have for the snow. And you want to give yourself a pathway coming out. Dig yourself a pathway coming out of here, all right? So you can properly turn out of here so you won't be stuck in the snow, right? So just make sure you properly do that. And you also, in the back of the car, you might want to also clear some snow in the back of the car as well, so that when you back up, you do not jam yourself or get stuck in the snow. All right, so those are our how-tos and our lessons learned from how to properly clear your car on a wonderful, beautiful snow day. So if you happen to leave and you leave your parking space and you're driving along the busy side streets, please make sure that you be careful on these side streets, because some of these side streets are not cleared off and you don't want to get stuck. Some of them do not have salt. As you can see, our street has not been cleared off, but because of the fact that we live somewhat off of a busy thoroughway, as you can see, busy thoroughway down here, because we have a busy thoroughway, right? Cars tend to come down here. So as you can see, we have tracks from other cars that have already put places for us, but we still have to be careful. Even though we're near the main thoroughway, we still have to be careful and dig out a spot. You see this truck right here? See, he's going down the street, making a pathway, you see. But you still want to be careful, because you can see he's not driving fast, right? You still want to be careful, all right, while you're out here. So be safe, family, be safe. Newcomers to this channel, again, this is Life Lessons by Unika. And if you want to continue to learn different lessons, because believe me, on this channel, we discuss, not only discuss, but we reward our struggles and we celebrate our wins. And so as we do that together. So we ask that if this is something that is of benefit to you, and you feel that you want to share like lessons learned, or be able to hear of other lessons from others, from ourselves, from others, of lessons that they have learned, and whether it's in real estate, whether it is in credit, whether it is in, as you saw me post yesterday, whether it's my triumph with my health, or your health, no matter what lesson that we learn, we share it, we reward it, and we celebrate it on this channel. All right. So thank you so much for tuning in to Life Lessons by Unika, and may you enjoy, family. If you are in the northeastern part and you're getting this beautiful snow, have fun out here. My daughter's probably going to do some snowballs once she finishes school. All right, guys. Bye.